Hey everyone, how's it going? Welcome back to the Rideshare Hub. My name's Dylan and thank you so much for coming by. So in today's video, I'm gonna be sharing with you exactly how to make $100,000 per year as an Instacart shopper. Now I know what you're thinking. What, is this guy crazy? What kind of drugs is this guy on? Well, I'm not on any right now. No, I'm just kidding. I don't do any of that stuff. I actually don't even drink alcohol. I'm actually a pretty boring guy. But no, there is somebody who did reach out to me and he's making over 2,000 bucks a week on Instacart. And yes, it is possible. The only problem is that it's not available in every market. It's not doable in every market. I'm gonna get into it all. I'm gonna get into the screenshots, and also I'm going to, don't skip ahead to the screenshots just because, that's the juicy stuff, because I'm gonna tell you where and where not this is able to happen. So where I currently live in my area, which is, I live in Southern California, let's just put it there. And I'm not gonna give you all guys, I'm not going to tell you guys exactly where I live, but I do live in Southern California and it's a pretty popular area. So there's a lot of people ordering and there are also a lot of shoppers. So when you log into the app, and here, you know what, I can just log into the app really quick so you guys can all see what I'm talking about. Here, I'm just going to click, and I am an Instacart shopper as well. Am I currently doing it because of, coronavirus and everything? No, I'm not. I'm just staying here at home, and I'm self-isolating. I know. I'm in the same boat as all of you guys. Well, not everybody. I know some people are still going out and doing rides and shopping. And if you are still going out, that's fine. Just be careful. And wear gloves. I mean, as long as you wear gloves and you're sanitizing stuff and you are social distancing. I mean, some of the grocery stores are pretty good. They have the plastic shields up, which I really appreciate that they're doing that. But yeah, I mean, you still got to sanitize your hands and don't touch your face and wear a mask if you can. But yeah, let's click on the shopper app and I'll click on 3, 2, 1, click. Here we go. This is how it looks like if you are a shopper. There's my name right there, and there are 4 batches available. So quickly, let's look here. What's available right now? $12 order, $9 order, $24 order. 2 of them actually. Wow, one just got took. And look at that, guys. Do you see that middle one? 14 items, 28 units. So what that means is 14 different items, and then also 28 units. No, that's pretty self-explanatory. No, what do I mean? So usually they want a couple of each item. That's basically what they mean. So on average, it's like 2 of every item. Some of them might be 3 or more. But yeah, oh yeah, and then that one just got took. See, I don't really care about the mileage. It says 9.3 miles. In my area, I'll get to their house in 10 minutes. It's, I'm not driving through a city. If I was in LA in the middle of Los Angeles during rush hour, heck no, I wouldn't take that. But even the bottom one, 19 items, 35 units, that's still not too bad. So it's, yeah, maybe 2 or 3. So you see what I'm getting at here? What a lot of people do is you can click down here and click refresh and just wait for huge orders to come in. And in a lot of areas, guys, especially in New York right now, for whatever reason, if you drive Instacart in New York, there are like 100 batches. And let me just click on this girl's name. Her name is, what is her name again? Her name is Dimples on Demand. She actually did a video on the Rideshare Hub. She's an Instacart shopper. Definitely check her out. I do appreciate her, and she might be on the channel here soon. But oh, I thought she posted on her community page. Maybe she didn't. But yeah, look at that. Look at that. Do you guys see that right there? $136 batch right there. There are some really big batches. She did make a video on me before. Look at that one, $82 batch. Those are gonna take you maybe an hour or 2 max. Definitely don't take it if it has way too many items, but I mean, if you can get a $100, $200 batch, and then on top of that, get a huge tip as well, because a lot of people are tipping right now. I mean, guys, trust me, it's mostly $100,000 a year average, which boils down to what? Let's just do some really quick math here. 200,000 divided by 52 weeks, you're looking at, no, sorry, 100,000, what are we talking about? Divided by 52, you're looking at 100,000 divided by 52 weeks. Yeah, $1,923. So if you can make $1,923, let's boil that down by per day. You need a $274 per day average. And guys, if you're in a big market and you're hitting $200 orders, $100 batch orders, what I do recommend, guys, is just going into this batches area, click refresh. Look, a $19 one, $24 one, $14, $10. Some people were asking, you know, why are there only a limited amount of batches if there claims to be such a big backlog? I actually tried to order Instacart groceries myself, and I can't even. They have too much of a delay. I can't even place an order for like, I think it's like a month backlog in my area. Like I can't even place an order, even if I wanted to schedule delivery in a month. They don't even let me schedule it. That's how busy they are. So what you want to do is just keep refreshing and wait for a $100 batch to come in. There might only be a couple of them per day, but if you can get all of them, there you go, guys. That's $274 a day. So really quickly, I'm gonna try to keep this video as short as possible. Oh guys, by the way, really quickly, before I do show the screenshot of the guy making that much money, if you're interested in signing up to be a shopper, use the link in the description below. I know I already plugged it in the beginning, but no, it's good money, guys. Right now, Instacart shopping is through the roof. I know I've said that before, but it's through the roof. Look at this. Instacart wants to hire 300,000 shoppers to keep up with demand. This is on Forbes. Like, if you need money right now, look at this. Instacart, yeah, they're hiring 300,000 workers. There's so many ads on this. Wow, I feel like I'm watching one of my own YouTube videos. Instacart's year-over volume has increased 150% due to growth in the last few weeks with 15% larger orders. This must be a little bit of an older article. Yeah, March 23rd. I've heard that it's 20 times more in most markets. So with that being said, let's go through this to the screenshot and see how much money the guy did make. He sent me a screenshot. Here, look at this. $2,000, guys. 2,000 bazingas! Boo! Yep, man. Let's get that cash money, baby. I want that in my bank account today, guys. Look at that. 2,000 big ones. Active time, 51 hours. This guy went out and he made, look at that, $2,000, $2,000, guys. When's the last time you made $2,000 in a week? Well, it could be today if you use my link and code to sign up and do Instacart, because you'd be surprised how much money's out there. It's crazy. So he went out and drove 52 hours. No. Yeah, 52 hours. He made $38 an hour. That's not even that much. That's really not even that much money. $38 an hour for 50 hours. Guys, I'm not saying this is easy. 50 hours a week. He's pulling 9-hour days, guys. But I'm saying it's possible. Am I saying, oh yeah, Instacart's just gonna give you 100 grand just to, you know, work an hour or two a day? No. But again, if you want and take a bunch of, like, let me go back to these batches really quick. If you want to go through these batches and do, you know, 34, you know, if you want to do, to average the $38 an hour, you would need, so this is gonna be $49, right? $50. Let's just round it up to, I mean, it's 20, let's just, okay, $50. If you can do $50 in an hour and a half, is that right? $50 divided by, let's just say, an hour and 20 minutes, right? So that's 1.3, right? If you can do those two batches in an hour and 20 minutes, that's 80 minutes. So 40 minutes each. You're making a $100,000 a year salary. However, if you take the latter route and just do 2 batches or 3 batches of the $100 orders, $150 orders, you'll still make the $274. This is how much you made per day. $300 a day, $214 a day, $200 a day, $268, $304, $368, $328. I mean, these are not that crazy numbers. It's not like he's making $500 a day. The most he made in a day was $368. So, I mean, it's not that crazy, guys. And in some days he only made 209 bucks. Like, how much do you make as an Instacart shopper? Let me know in the comment section down below. And do you think this is achievable for the common folk? Thank you all for watching. Bye.